Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x80010135 on your Windows computer while trying to unzip a file, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So we have a zip file with a long zip name here. So right click on it and select extract all, and you'll not be able to extract it. Why? Because when you extract a file, it creates a folder inside a folder, and that folder is the extracted file of the zip folder, and both of them have the same name. So basically the end path would be so long that the system will not be able to absorb it. So what can you do in this case? Right click on the zip folder itself, select rename, and cut as much as possible part of the name, and then you can try unzipping it, but in some cases even that doesn't work. Now why doesn't it work? Because either the name is still too long, or the components inside have still much longer names, or other than this you may not want to change this name. So here's one more solution that you can try. Download this tool called 7zip. Search for it in the Bing search bar or Google and click on download, and go to this download option here. I am downloading the 64-bit one because I have a 64-bit computer, and then click on the exe file, select install, and install it on your system, and then click on close. Now once this is installed, right click on it. You won't see anything here. Select show more options, click on 7zip, extract files, and then on OK, and it will extract the file in the same folder, and this time it should work. Mostly in I guess I haven't seen a single case where it didn't work. So this solution should definitely work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.